You know what? We're a club for the people.
Oh, hey guys, nice meeting you. No problem. Where are you guys going? I don't know where we're going. We're going home. Like, what do you want? No. Sit here. Backs the car up, opens it up. Out explodes the charcuterie board.
Oh yeah.
Cheese, meat, circle around.
Awesome.
We probably spent the nicest hour, best ride ever in my life. Dick Claire calls back, 2 days later. What'd you think? Nice ride? And fantastic. Because we figured we'd never see each other again, eh? Goes, let's do it again. You want to do it again? 10 years later, eh? 260 people.
You're riding and all that stuff at a certain point, and Fausto says, geez, he goes, I just can taste that veal, right? I can just taste that veal and all that stuff. I said, okay, I go, say to myself, I go, do they have like a truck somewhere set up as we're riding and all that? So I had to go quietly to something and say, is there a veal truck somewhere that we're gonna get veals and all that stuff? Because this guy keeps on saying, where's the veals? The veals, I can just taste them and all that. He says, no. He goes, when you come back, he goes, there'll be veals there. It's like, holy shit, man. This is it, man. I found my home.
Like for me, it's about the food, eh? It isn't about the, pleasant company here.
Well, he doesn't like you.
Okay.
He doesn't like you guys.
Yeah.
Fausto, what was the first food we had on our first ride?
Mortadella. Yeah, no, we have mortadella.
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 There was more.
The cold cut of
On the
Italy.
move.
We got an 8-ounce all-purpose flour here. We are going to make a classic margarita. First of all, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Okay. We got this beautiful Stanislas 50% hand crush, 50% puree, California tomato. Look at the color on that. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then watch this. Follow this little pinwheel action. You can smell it. Just go right to the edge. Don't overdo with the sauce. Now, instead of salt today, we're gonna use grana padano. Look at that. Okay? Fresh.
Is that a cheese, right, Frank?
It is a cheese from the northern region, I think, right? Beautiful fresh basil, because we're making a margarita. Queen Margherita came to visit Naples, and to spoil her, a baker said, we got to make a pastry for her. But I'm a baker, a bread baker, so let's make a pastry. We'll have dough, and we'll have the colors of Italy. The green, the white, and the red tomato. And that became the margarita pizza for the Queen Margherita from Spain, who came to visit Naples. Who knew the story?
I certainly didn't.
Oh, that is a great
So
story.
this is full fat mozzarella. But that's it, and a little bit of olive oil at the end. We don't want the leaves to burn, right? And a little bit more cheese on top, and that's how we do it.
Guys, let's give Frank a big round of applause. I mean, come on.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
Wait a minute, we haven't
Now, how do we take this? How do we take this dough off the peel? A nice vented peel is a really good tool. Throw a little bit of powder on it. Just go. Oh yeah. And then just go. Hey, spread it out like Napolitan style. It doesn't have to be perfect. Husband going, pinch me, and you slap it here. Watch this now. Minute and a half. Follow me. You ready? Watch this. Minute and a half. Come on, look at it. Are you serious? Look at that leopardy. Fuzzabon, pay attention. You'll be quizzed at the end of this.
You can skin a 12-inch vinyl on that.
Oh yeah. No, that's holds and chips. But today we're not doing chips. Yeah, we do a wood chip thing. Gotta keep an eye on this thing. It's not that. Look at this.
Look at that leopard.
Look at this.
Madonna mia.
That's a swear word, guys. Isn't that good? Is anybody timing? You want to take a peek at that? Come on! Are we serious? Are we serious? You know what? We're fucking done. And that's how we have it. Mimi on the move, 8 ounce. So, I mean, nobody even timed it. Minute and a half or 90 seconds. Let's do that. Let's do another one. Okay. We're not ready to eat. We're going to make a couple of them so that we can eat together. Okay, good? Okay?
Good.
That's Rimacinata from the Puglia region. If you feel it, it has a nice ball-bearing quality about it. It rolls good. Yeah, it rolls good. The dough's been maturing. Oh my God.
Oh, look at that
Oh,
thing.
look at that.
Oh. And Frank, anything special about this dough?
It's Mimi dough, so we're gonna call this series Mimi on the Move. Right? We're gonna punch that out. I know the new writers are going, what the fuck's going on? What's the big going on? Come here, come a little closer here. We don't want to we want to make sure that oh, I don't like this noise. We need a shift, Frank. We need a shift.
Jim.
Let me get a French.
Notice, right? We want to get that dough nice and don't worry about stretching it the old school way, right? But we want to make sure that it gets out there, and then we just basically just take it and we gotta pull it. Yeah, I can. I know. You can't explain it, right? You can't explain it, right? I did say we're having pizza, right?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it's right. Yeah, he's making pizza.
I did say we were having pizza, so where was the flour again? Rimacinata.
When he said you were having
From Puglia.
Yeah, that's what I was in trunk. It's in the cooler and away we go. Start to finish first. I've been just after that.
Okay, so hold on. You don't want to poke any holes. Oh, look at that! Look at the love in it. Look at the love in this dough. Mimi on the move. We got a little bit of Capo Fausto, some muffalata, some Wisconsin high-fat mozzarella, a little bit of tomato sauce, New Orleans.
Beautiful.